la ngifuna ukunitrasta ngezinto, but ngoba la ngifuna ukuthemba ibandla lami ngezinto, ngifuna ukutrust ibandla ngezinto, but ngoba ibandla lisadlubisi, akumelanga ngabe isikhathi sebisi, kufanele kube isikhathi se-solid food, kube isikhathi somngqutsho, but manje ngoba sisakhontrola inkanuko, kunezinto kulongeka sithembe ngazo. Nje kunomuntu nje umfundisi engeke amshiye lebandla. Ibandla for one night. Kunomuntu nje ongeke asale nebandla. Ngoba ungaphuma ngomnyango kusala kumosheka izinto. But mase udle solid food, kunezinto khona ukuzibamba, uba ne-strength sokubamba izinto. But uma usadla ubisi, awunemandla okubamba izinto. Kunezinto nje uNkulunkulu afuna utrust, afuna ukusiphatha ngazo, but ngoba sisalawula inkanuko. Siyibandla likaNkulunkulu, sisalawula inkanuko. Izulu lisiphoze kancane ukuthi ngathi kahle. Entambama nje sokhuleka. Moya ngcwele masidlule ku-stage. Paul address indaba yebisi as a lower stage. And that's not the level of the church. Yokuthi kumele abe nidla solid food, but maye nidla ubisi ngoba sisalawula silawula inkanuko. But I want you here. Joanna, khuphukela here. uJohane umpostoli omdala, refreshing, come here. There are things that I want to show you. Ibandla kufuneka lithi ukhuphuka itepisi zika spiritual, itepisi zika moya, but we are still feeding on milk. We are still feeding on milk. Kunezinto ezibandla ekumele sazi ukuthi uyabona le ingishayile ngo-2024, 2025 le mele ngiyikhonkara. I need to master this thing. Kunesona esingihluphayo, I need ukuthi ngisimaster, unless I want to stay on the level of yobisi. But once ngimastera lento, once nginqoba lento, ngiza kwi-level ye-solid food. Once wadla solid food, kunezinto nje ezingakushiki, but mawusadla ubisi kunento ezizokushika. Vuka udle Elijah, uba ibanga liseselide. Wake up and eat.
Amen.
Umzalwane ulale kuze kuyosa umzalwane, ungavuki ukhuleke, you are still feeding on milk. Umzalwane la kuze kuse umzalwane uthi uNkulunkulu kweZekheli, I am making you a watchman to oversee things. Umzalwane ulale nje kuze kuyosa, hlale kuma TikTok, namhlanje ngibhizi ukuthi lo muntu ngathi stop. Ngisemotweni, ayikho into ngithi ngathi ngiyayivula TikTok umuntu ngathi stop. Vala ifoni yakho and connect in the spirit. Uzaba WhatsApp. uNkulunkulu ngengcwele nenkinga neWhatsApp. Ngingcwele nenkinga neFacebook, anenkinga neFacebook ngongcwele, but let it serve a positive purpose. Amen.
Amen.
Unenkinga ngongcwele, unenkinga no-TikTok, ngiyenzana ukuthi let us let it serve a good purpose, and a purpose that is glorifying God. Church. Akakhuluma nabantu basezweni la uPaul. La uPaul ukhuluma nathi. Lezi la ukhuluma nathi, alikhuluma nabantu basezweni. Manje okufanele ngabe sidla solid food, but we are still feeding on milk. Amen.
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 Amen.